What's up guys? Hello and welcome back. I'm so happy to see you, and today's video is all about our little fellas. Our favorite companion traveling alone. As you know, I've been traveling with Penyo for quite some time, and to be honest, he's a little spoiled pet dog. But in the van, there are some little gadgets that are different to the stuff that you might have at home, and I want to give you the best 6 things to have for the dog to have it as comfortable as possible in the van while traveling with you. Because there are circumstances when the dog, for instance, cannot come with you. Maybe when you go grocery shopping, or when it's raining outside and you want to prevent the whole van to get all wet and dirty. So I want to give you my favorite 6 gadget that I have here with me, and it's a must to have because it will make your life so much easier in the van and also for the dog. I will also link every product down below in case you want to buy it. There are affiliate links and you don't pay nothing extra, but you can support me on my travels if you buy any of those gadgets from that link. Let's start with number 1. So my absolute favorite thing is this little drink pot for dogs. It's from Prestige. It's even called road freshener. You know why it is so good? See how there's water inside at the moment? I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, can you see the water? There is water. But the best thing is, if you drive, you'll see that no water spills out. And even if you do this, there's no water coming out. Because it has, if I open it, wait, let me see. So there is a second layer that secures the water from spilling. You'll see the water, it's a little bit dirty right now, is in there. And it will only allow that amount of water to go in. Let me demonstrate it for you if I fill it up. Hey baby, you thirsty? Let me fill it up. So you see how the water automatically go down and the little thing lifts up. So there's only like just a certain amount on the surface for him to drink. And the more he drinks, the more it goes down and the more water comes up. And I gotta be honest with you, this is really so good while you drive. And it even has, if you want, those stickers underneath if you want to secure it in the van to make it tight so it doesn't move around at all. When I used to use a normal bowl for him, this was his old bowl, you want to have water access for the dog always given, and I used to have this just on the floor and I would step on it and the whole water would go all over the floor and really ruin my floor. And then I came across this product and I was so happy that I actually found it. And they have the design is maybe not like the cutest, but it's really practical. Okay, second, this one. It's really old school actually, and it's such a simple build. I got it from Trixie, and this is something really awesome when you go and get grocery shopping and you don't feel comfortable leaving your dog just in front of the grocery store because you might be afraid that someone steals it or whatever. So you want to leave him in the car, and what I used to do is leaving a little space open in the window. So this is obviously Penyo's seat while we drive, although he really likes to climb on me when I'm driving because he wants to sit on my lap. Normally when I go grocery shopping, the dog stays in the car. I normally would just leave a little bit open and the fan that I have inside on both windows. But with this, and it is amazing, and it fits I think to almost every window because it's flexible. You can actually just push it down, slide it in here, go to the corners, and then go all the way up. Okay, got it. So when you see, I'm from the outside and people really cannot get in, but actually the dogs still get a lot of fresh air. I mean, it's pretty solid, and I'm using quite a bit of force because it goes in the window and in the place in here. And this allows you to have way more air intake for the dog, and I really love this one too. Now let's talk about the third product, which some of you probably maybe even know because it's quite a known gadget that a lot of outdoor people actually also use for their dogs. It's this little dog play that he can use. It's made of silicone and it's really handy because you can just take it out and it turns into a pod and it stores so easily. So every time you feed him in a van in the evening, in the morning, whatever, you just take it out, take it up, and put the food in there, and then you can store it away so it doesn't need to stay in the van all day long. And it's really practical also when you want to go out and take it for you know, want to put it into your bag and you want to go on a trip with him, like a hike or something, and to fill water in or food or anything you need. But make sure it's BPA free because we only want the best for our dogs, and this one is BPA free. So yeah, I'm really enjoying this one. I used to have one with a harder rim, so it's a little bit more stable. It's not that flexible, but I lost it, so I got this one instead. Product number 4 is this little cute raincoat. And I know it's so cute, but trust me, it will help you out, especially if you have rainy days. The fur gets all wet and he comes inside the van and maybe jumps on the bed or jumps on the floor, and jumps on places, and everything gets so wet and dirty. So we want to prevent that, and this is just perfect for it, and it looks cute. I think it's just really awesome to have a little raincoat for your dog friend. You want them to run free in the rain, and then you just take it off and his fur will be dry. And now we have the 5th gadget. It's this little thing. I know you're probably wondering, what is that? But this is also something that is good for summer days or summer nights. I'm gonna show you how it works. You actually use it to get a nice airflow throughout the whole van. Not only for the pet, but even for you in summer nights when it's so bad and you want to keep the door a little bit open, because I'm gonna tell you, in summer and you don't have an AC, it will get so hot and you get no air. So for you to get a little bit more air but still leaving all the door closed and to be safe at night, you can get this little tool. And you have this little tool. Whoops. And as you guys see, this is how it looks like. And nobody can steal nothing. And you still get a nice airflow. And the 6th and last little thing that I really like is this little silicone blinker for Penyo. I really like to use it when it is nighttime and I press it and it glues, and it has 3 different functions, like blinking fast and blinking slower, because you know, I'm this kind of dog owner who likes to let my dog running around in the wherever we are whenever it's safe. And you know, sometimes you get worried about where he is in the dark, and this blinker really just helps you to know where he is. And even in the night, if you walk him, it's safer for him to walk with that little blinker. And the good thing about this one is it's mainly made out of silicone, so it keeps it really protected from rain, wetness and mud and all the things. Yeah, so I hope some of those products inspire you for your own van travel or for your journey with your dog or your cat. I mean, like this drinking thing is super awesome for the cat, and the Gitter for the window. I mean, nothing wrong with that, right? So what any kind of pet you travel with, not only dogs, but I think that those are the best products for your pet in the van. I hope to see you soon. I hope you liked that video, inspired some of you, and I'll see you next time. Bye.